Hey guys, it's January 13th, 2019. It's a pretty nice day here in Seattle. Let's start over here with the garden update. As you can see, um, a lot more of the daffodils are sprouting now. And then right here, I don't see any significant changes over here. Um, and then this guy, as you can see, it's sprouting too. I think it was sprouting last week already. And then here again we have the snowdrops. So you can see that one is still, the flower is still around, and we have more sprouts all over the place. Here the tulips are getting more sprouting now. And the hyacinth, as you can see, I feel like most of them has sprouted already. And the crocus is finally sprouting too. You can see right there is a little sprout. And then on the other pot, there's this one over here. Other than that, the rosemary, I've been harvesting some of them for cooking, so the bush size is getting a little small. But yeah, nothing too much has changed other than the bulbs. Right here you can see the wildflower pot is kind of messy, but most of the flowers are still around. Yeah, that one too. I think the frost this year isn't so bad so far. The grape hyacinths, you can see pretty much all of them have sprouted. The daffodil looks pretty much the same. And then over here we have the strawberry. You can see the runners are everywhere. Probably just gonna cut those off. Yeah, nothing else has really changed. You can see the catnips are actually doing really well. Oh, and the rhubarb is sending out new leaves, actually. Very small leaves. But I think it's waking up. Artichoke and crocus. I mean saffron. And then for the indoor garden, these succulents are all doing well. The orchids too. Yeah. So the new growth of the Venus slipper orchid, you can see right here. And these mini oncidium is doing pretty well too. Yeah, all the indoor plants are doing pretty well. And here we have the mounted staghorn fern. You can see that new leaf over there. For it to produce shield fronds, I think it needs to develop a new plant. The pineapple is looking good. And yeah, other than that, this orchid is looking good. And these succulents are slowly growing. And the pineapple, as you can see, I have repotted it into a new medium of a vermiculite mixed with perlite. And here we have the string of pearls. You can see it's doing very well. And then the elephant food plant is doing relatively well too. You can see some new leaves coming up from the stems. The frizzle sizzle, I also repotted it in a new medium and support the leaves because it was falling everywhere. And the phalaenopsis orchid is looking good. Yeah, and then the hanging plants are all doing pretty well. Let's look at the new growth of the pear plants. Right here, there's a new leaf that has opened, and yeah, Hoya plants and just some other succulents. This guy, you can see a lot of baby plants at the base, and the bird nest fern.